I'm Ollie Owl, here to teach you a new letter. Today's letter is M, which makes the sound M. Can you say the sound M? There are lots of things that begin with the letter M. Can you say them all? Uppercase M, which has straight lines, and lowercase m, which has curved lines. Can you trace the letter M in the air and say the sound M? Remember to start where the arrow is. Now find some paper and a pencil and practice writing the letter M. Join Ollie Owl again for more letters and sounds.